Hi there. In this video, I want to talk about a course that I went on a couple of days ago. And the guy who was speaking at that course talked about one simple strategy that we can all implement that will radically change our businesses. Hi there. My name is Boomy Tokan. In the social media course that I went on, this guy was talking about Facebook ads and what you could do with it and how it could change your business. And it was really, really good. So when he talked about that one strategy, I went ahead and implemented it. And I will be bringing you the results later on, but I just know what this is going to work because of the way he explained it. So I'm going to give you that one strategy that he talked about. So let's get straight into it. He said that you should promote your post to those who already like your page. Promote your post to those who already like your place. Why is that? They already like your place. They already like your page. They already like what you're doing. Why should you promote to them? And he said to us that you need to promote to them because they've already raised their hand up, which means that they're not going to consider your own post as spam because they've already said, we are interested. And that's really amazing because you are promoting to those who are already interested in what you're doing. The second thing he said, which was really good, was because it's actually cheaper for you to promote to those who already like your page. In fact, he was talking about maybe a 1p per view, or maybe cheaper than that even. He was talking about the fact that you can reach a lot more people for your money if you promote your post to those who already like your page. And then finally, he said that they have the potential to then promote you. They're like your evangelists. They're going to promote what you are doing to other people because they already like it. I'm really so encouraged by what he was talking about. I'm really so encouraged by what he said that I went ahead today, like I said to you earlier on, I went ahead and placed an ad, which I will come back to you and give you the feedback. All right. But in the meantime, if you like this video, then do like it. Let me know whether you are going to go ahead and promote your post to those who already like your page. Well, try it and see. So if you like this video, then do like it. If you like it, do subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, I will see you soon. God bless you.